Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about vices and how you should be dealing with vices now. But first, for those of you that haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe right down here. Click that red button, then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And if you know anyone, friends, family, neighbors, coworkers that might be interested in any of these topics, please go ahead and click that little share button there and share it out, and that way they can get prepared as well. All right, dealing with your vices now. The reason why I'm emphasizing now is that once a disaster situation happens, you don't want to be going through withdrawals from these vices at that time. You want to be clear thinking and able to make proper judgments and everything. So what sort of vices am I talking about? Well, there's a lot of vices, a lot more than you're probably thinking at right at the beginning here. But I will start off with the big ones. Smoking. Don't get offended, people. You know, a lot of you that do smoke realize that it's not healthy for you. You're just stuck in the habit. My dad started smoking when he was 11 years old, and that's what finally killed him. He never got a chance to see any of my kids or anything, so you don't want to miss out on life. Another vice: alcohol, chocolate, sugar. Some people are addicted to fast foods. They got to have that greasy burger. There's a lot of things you can be addicted to. Gambling's another one. Drugs. So whatever it is that you realize, or you've had family members jokingly kid you about, let's take a second look at those jokes, because they may be pointing out something that you need to take care of before there's a big disaster event. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't do anything foolish. Stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Oh, one other thing. Don't forget to check out the end trailer here. There are some videos here you might be interested in. Take care.